So this is sample for test 2 part 2 to translate flowchart to the program. Okay, one of your friend asked regarding this get parameter p name. Okay, let me just this one. Okay, get parameter p name. Okay, how this get parameter function. Okay, remember this program, it require user to choose object, whether it is B or C. So if B, you actually want to calculate the rectangle. There are two things that you need to calculate. First is area, second is volume. Same thing to the circle, you want to calculate the area and also volume for the circle. So B is rectangle, C is basically cylinder, right? Yes, so B is box, okay, so X force here is basically cylinder, okay, cylinder. So in calculating the box, to calculate the area of rectangle box, you need to have the width and height, okay, width and height. For volume, you need to have variable data for area and also length. That's why here whenever the user choose box, the set parameter of width, height and length will be called. Whereas here there are two set parameter here. Since we declare width, height and also length for box, okay, so W will receive so width here, okay, will receive width here. Number 2 and 3 here will be passed to this function. Okay, so once set parameter WHL is initiated or triggered, since we choose box or B here, okay, so in this set parameter, it will require you to get parameter for W, get parameter for and assigned to H, and get parameter assigned to L. So here if you observe, get parameter bracket, and you have this string, okay, so you have this string width, height and also length. So let's move to this get parameter functions. So in get parameter, you have this p name. So p name will receive whatever you define here. Get parameter width, so here will be width, okay, width for example, okay, and then it will display p name, means the width will be display. Then you have to, this one you should see out lah, display p name, then read p value. Okay, so you need to declare p name and also p value somewhere inside the get parameter function. So read p value will store any value for the width, height or length here. Okay, so if p value less than 0, then return less or equal to 0, okay, then return p value. If true, okay, then you repeat, okay, you repeat because you don't want you need the value to be more than at least more or equal tu lah, okay, equal or more than 1, okay, then you can calculate the width, height and also length. So it is impossible to have less than 0, right, for the value for width and also height and also length. Okay, so then you repeatedly ask the user to input read p value if p value less than 0. Okay, then it will return p value. So p value, if the user, for example, width just now, okay, is 3. Okay, so 3 will be assigned to W, and you will you will continue to get parameter for height, H, length assigned to the L, then you return, okay, return the value, right? Then here using the set parameter, you already know the value for width, height and also length. Then you can proceed to calculate the area, volume and also then you display box volume. Same thing to the cylinder. Okay, I hope that's help.